Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, how much, or to what extent something happens. 1. Adverbs of manner. Right arrow describe how an action is done. Examples: quickly, slowly, neatly, badly. Sentence: she danced gracefully. 2. Adverbs of time. Right arrow indicate when something happens. Examples: now, yesterday, soon, already. Sentence: I will call you tomorrow. 3. Adverbs of place. Right arrows show where the action happens. Examples: here, there, everywhere, outside. Sentence: he is waiting outside. 4. Adverbs of frequency. Right arrow tell how often something happens. Examples: always, never, often, rarely, sometimes. Sentence: she always arrives early. 5. Adverbs of degree. Right arrow show the intensity or degree of an action, adjective, or another adverb. Examples: very, quite, too, almost, enough. Sentence: the coffee is too hot. 6. Adverbs of reason/purpose. Right arrow explain why something happens. Examples: therefore, thus, hence, so. Sentence: he was tired, so he went to bed early. 7. Relative adverbs. Right arrow used to connect clauses. They relate to a time, place, or reason. Examples: when, where, why. Sentence: that was the moment when I knew the truth. 8. Interrogative adverbs. Right arrow used to ask questions about time, place, reason, or manner. Examples: when, where, why, how. Sentence: why are you late? 9. Conjunctive adverbs. Right arrow connect two clauses and show relation, contrast, cause, sequence, etc. Examples: however, therefore, moreover, consequently. Sentence: he was late, however, he finished the work on time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English grammar lessons.